Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling access and gathering details. On the Windows machine, turn on Remote Desktop and ensure the user has a password. This is required for security. On your Mac, install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store if you haven't already. Once done, note the PC's name or IP address and the exact username you'll use. You're now ready to create a new connection in the Mac app. Enter those details carefully so the session can find the right host. You'll now assemble the connection and fine-tune how the session behaves. In Microsoft Remote Desktop, add a new desktop. Paste the PC name or IP and choose or add the user account. Then, open Display and Devices to set resolution, color quality, and sound redirection. Map local folders and printers if you want file or print access. If the PC is behind a gateway or non-standard port, configure the gateway and port. Default is 3389. These options control performance and access, so adjust for your network. You're ready to connect. Double-click the desktop you created and accept any certificate prompts when you recognize the host. If the session establishes, you can resize and use clipboard or mapped folders immediately. If it fails, verify the Windows PC isn't sleeping, check its firewall for remote desktop rules, and confirm the Mac can reach the PC's IP. Use ping or a port test for 3389. Also make sure the Windows Edition supports incoming remote desktop. These quick checks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.